Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we are modifying the Blue Max chainsaw. So this little guy. Okay, 45cc, 20-inch bar, and taking the exhaust and we're modifying it. Pulled out this little catalytic converter looking thing. Looks kinda, it's not really clogged up, but I don't know, it's seen better days. We're taking that out. I just peeled this open with the cutoff wheel, and we're going to fold it back down and put it back together and see if the chainsaw will breathe a little better. It's kind of lagging on the low end of things, so I know it's getting old, but I figure see this will give it a little bit more of a kick when you're running it. Yeah, it's going to be louder, but this was all bobbling around in there, so I don't imagine this was doing a whole lot of anything. So, I don't care if it's a little louder. I just want to be able to cut a tree at full depth when I need to cut a tree. I'm trying to get you guys set up here, but see how this goes. Maybe. We'll close the door. Inside, as you can see in here, there's some spark arrestor stuff, some filter stuff. Now this thing here actually pushes forward, or did, so we're going to bend all this back over and weld it shut. Worst case, it's not getting enough flow. I could just come on over here and just, chop all this out, and it'll give it more room to move, but let's see how this first part goes. Now let me get the welder fired up, and we'll get the first part done. Alright, so, it all welded up. I had to switch over to the flux core because my MIG welder ran out, which sucks, but is what it is. So I just gotta clean it up a little bit here, and we'll stuff it back up in that hole, and we will see how loud it is and if it runs any better. I'm probably gonna have to retune it too, but we're gonna get the little whiz wheel out here. We'll sand it down some, and you guys are almost looking at the ceiling here. Hold on. Oh my god. There we go. See? gotta do is put it back in. Alright, so basically I slid it over my 2 studs, put it back in there. Basically just got it with a pair of pliers here, and I just kind of slid it in here. There's 2 bolts on the bottom and 2 nuts in the middle. This is an aluminum block, so like I say, worst case, if I don't get enough flow like I want, I'll take it back out and we'll do some more. That's it, cheese. Well, changing the exhaust definitely helped. I actually had to retune it and change out my low and highs. It definitely opened it up a little bit. I didn't do it before, but not much louder. But definitely breathes a little better. Now, I mean, I could make it louder by taking those baffles out of it, but if I can keep it quiet and I'm able to have given it a little bit more to, you know, chew at a tree. There is 45 cc's, you know. Now, I don't know if it really happened, but I'm assuming that maybe we're pushing, let's say, closer to 50. You know, that's, every little bit will help, because you need the low end torque to pull the chain through, not so much just, you know, full horsepower. So hopefully it'll do some cutting. I'll send you guys back up here. So we'll see how it goes. We'll have to run it through a couple trees and see if it, you know, how well it performs. You know, hopefully it does well and it does what I want. It has to be doing better than what it was doing, because before it kind of would bog out and not be so good. I mean, yeah, I probably could have tweaked my screws on the carb and probably did a little better, but I think the carb was with that little donger thing here bouncing around in there, you know, because I think this is actually supposed to sit on these welded tabs, and it's just kind of all sitting all up in there like this, so could have been restricting her flow of, you know, going full power. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know, maybe, assuming I remember to. That'd be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.